Step 1. Preparations. The first consideration in hanging your roll-up door is a don't. Don't cut the bands or wrapping on any part of the door until instructed to do so. Also, make sure you have the tools necessary to complete the job. Those tools are Again, check your clearances according to the measurements of the door you're installing. These are given in the written instructions found on the Mueller website. You will be concerned with 3 areas for clearance: the height of the opening that you bought the door for, the vertical headroom, and the horizontal headroom.